Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, what we are going to see is the DDL command. Remember, I had a class on um, I had a class on uh, class number 2, I guess. Class number 2 concept of SQL statement. Okay, there I explained the four type of SQL statements. Basically, what are those? First is data definition language. We also call it DDL. Second is data manipulation, data transactional, and data control. If you forgot this, kindly go and see my class 2 video first, and then we will and then you will be kind of revise things. So just I am covering one by one. In SQL, what we will do, we will cover right from the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so from first one we will cover now. Okay, so we are going to explain the data definition language. Okay, so the data definition language is what that deals with your structure level. Okay, that was only the quick recap I am going to give you at this point of time. But for more for detail, you just watch my class 2 video. Okay, so create, I've already explained you how to create table. Okay, so create has been done. Drop drop almost but how to drop a table. Okay, you just apply drop table name. Okay, just this command will help you. So I'm not going to take extra class on drop. You just try yourself. Drop command, drop table name. Okay, and truncate command. Truncate is a flush out command. Flush out command for the data. Okay, it will flush out the data in one go, um, for the table. Okay, just in one go, it will take no time. Okay, I will explain more truncate when I will cover delete. Once I will cover delete, I will explain the difference between drop, truncate, and delete. There I will explain more. But what I am interested in today's class is alter and rename. Rename, not rename, only alter. Or rename will cover tomorrow, will be covered tomorrow. So these three has been done. Sorry, these two has been done. This will I will cover when I will explain the delete. And for current topic, I am going to explain the alter. Okay,
Okay, sir.
all right. So now what I'm what I will do, let me show you one table, or just let me create one table, just a demo table I'm creating. So just let me uh, maximize this. And now use uh, medical shop. Okay, medical shop, what was the database name? Medical shop 2, I think. Medical shop 1. Okay, medical shop. All right, so this was the database what I am using from the beginning. So let me check what what is there. And if I run it, what will I get? I will get uh, three tables are there. First is IPL matches. I don't know why IPL matches is there. So no. So just I will tell you how to drop a table. Let me tell you how to drop a table. This is unwanted table, by the way. In medical shop, there is no sense of keeping IPL table in the medical shop database. Okay, obviously in your house you will not make it a go down. Okay, okay, for go down there is another thing. Sorry, for you will not store the grains. Okay, so for grains you have the go downs, right? So similarly, medical shop database will not contain IPL matches. So first let me tell you what is the drop statement. So just drop will uh, drop will um, uh, drop your table from the database. Drop means everything is gone. Okay, so drop table, just apply the drop table and this table name, and you are done with this, and you are done with this. No need to give this. Okay, so just run it, and yes, and now if you run the show table command, you are done with it. Okay, so this was drop. I already drop I also covered in today's topic. Okay, so now and dropped, by the way, you must follow the conventional approach. Okay, you must follow the best practice. The best practice is database name dot table name. Okay, so this is the best practice. Fine. So now, what is alter command? Alter, as per name suggests, it is to alter anything, means change, ch- making some changes. Okay, even you need to change some data types, even you want to add some column, even you want to remove some column. So that for that purpose you use alter table. Okay, so there are basically mainly two kind of alter command in SQL. The first one is change the data type of column in table. There are only two ways which we can alter in SQL. Okay, or in general sense, or in general programming language. First, what you need to some change, or you need to add or remove. These two types you use in alteration of the command. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
First one, you need to change the data type, or data type of the column. Okay, and second one, you want to add some column, or you want to remove some existing column. These only two types of alter alter command works in SQL. So let's first see the first one. Let's see, you have medical shop one, so tables. I will go to the employee table. Okay, so let me check. For for seeing the content, for seeing the structure of the table, we use describe command. Okay, just type describe and the table name. First I will give the best practice, database name dot table. Just do that, and you will see the structure level, the structure of your table. So this is an important command, describe. Just make a note of that. Okay, okay. So now, if you see, these are the fields. What are the fields? What does field mean? The columns, the attributes, right? What you make in data dictionary, the attributes. What are the basic columns and or attributes? Okay, their types. These are nothing but the data types. Types are what? Data types. Okay, whether they are strings, whether they are integer, where they are characters, and null is allowed or not. What does null means? Is null allowed? This means, is null allowed? Yes, yes, yes. If you don't want to allow null, we can pass the not null parameter. I will explain it later. Okay, is there any key, whether it is primary key, foreign key, composite key, or alternate key, any type of key, whatever you can declare here. Okay, so default, what is the default value? What does default value mean? Means if you want, don't if you do, if the compiler doesn't find the appropriate value, it will fill with the default one. Okay, and extra is something, something, any extra. I don't know what is extra. I know about this code. Okay, anyway, so this is the thing. So now, coming back to the first one, change the data type of the column in the table. So say this is salary. Okay, this is integer. Okay, let me get back. Integer, I want I at the first. Okay, this is integer. ID is integer. Okay, so If you see, select star from this one. Are you getting this? Are you getting, by the way, what I'm
Yes,
doing?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you can see it's 10001 Ram, this one, this one, this one, this one. Suppose my ID is, suppose I join with ID 10011A. Is this possible?
No, sir.
Yes, obviously it is possible. Okay. Obviously
Hmm.
it is possible. Suppose I'm a temporary employee. So just I
Hmm.
pass T. Okay. Suppose I'm a visitor. So I can pass V. Okay.
Okay.
Anything can pass, right? ID is obviously not uh strict restricted to, not restricted to your integer or float. No, sorry, integer, right? It can be a
Yeah.
varchar. That's what
Okay.
I'm trying to tell you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Correct, sir.
So in this case, suppose I want, here you can see in this one, uh, it is id is int 5. Okay. Okay. Now I just want to change it to, I just want to change it to varchar 10. Okay. So what will I do? Without making any suspense, let me tell you, direct the command. Just a very simple command. You just need to apply. You can google it as well. Okay. So because see, I also am not, I usually don't remember command. Okay. I'm a very lazy guy. I don't remember command usually. Okay. So what do I do? I just go to google. I just go to google and type alter command in SQL, and you will find number of sites, number of W3 school, geeks for geeks, any type of n number of sites. You can just go and copy paste command from there. Okay. What I want to tell you, be smart enough to apply the command. Okay. Don't focus on syntax. Focus on approach. Okay. That's what my motive is. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So alter table, I think it is table, alter table, this one. Now just apply modify, and what is the field name? ID means what is the column name? ID. Okay. And you just need to pass the desired desired uh, data type. So in my case it is varchar 10. Just do that, and you'll find it is done. For this I remember this is the command. Generally I don't remember. Now you can see it is varchar 10. Got it?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Got it. So now again I want to rechange it. Okay. I want to rechange it, change it back to integer. Just to integer 5, and you will come to know that it is done. So so this was a small introduction to change data type. Okay. It's a very simple command. You will find no issue in this. Now add or remove column in the table. So the first one will remain the same. Alter table name. This is common. This is common. Why this is common? Because you are altering something. You are making change into a table. Okay. You are making change into a table, na? You are making change into table. So you are altering the table. So this command will be passed as it is. Now if you want to add any column, suppose I want, suppose select star from emp, and I want a column name, from going onwards. I want a column with bonus. Okay. With bonus. Okay. So what? Add column bonus, small, all small. Okay. And its data type, what will be a data type? uh, Suppose it is float. And let me check if it works or not. And now you can describe it and see. Oh no, see, one bonus column has been added, and if you see the select star from by doing it, you will see the bonus. Currently it is showing as null. When I will see you, when we will have the update class, how to update the altered column, I will teach you. I will show you how to fill the records. Okay. So currently it is, but now, did you get this, how to add columns?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. And now if you don't want this column, just drop it. Just apply the drop command. All right. Just apply same. Do nothing. You see, I didn't, I just copy pasted. Okay. But I don't suggest you to copy paste. You just type command. See, I am working for a long time in SQL. So for me, copy paste is okay. You are a newbie in this. Okay. So don't do copy paste. I will suggest to to type it instead. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So no, so now you see, I have not given the data type here. Can you explain me why I'm not given the data type? Any guess? Obviously, it is not needed, right? It is not needed. You are removing the column. No need to explain the data type, right? You are just putting the column and just
Yeah.
removing it. Okay. So no need to provide the data type, right? So there is no explanation for this. This is the only explanation. And now you will see. If you'll see now, bonus column has been vanished. So these are four type of thing I wanted to tell you. So currently one more, rename the table and columns. This is another thing what I will explain it tomorrow. So uh, tomorrow, just a minute. All right. So this was something I will explain tomorrow. Okay. So so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.